I'd like to recognize Global Auto Solutions as the July 2019 Shop of the Month for NAPA AutoCare Atlanta. Starting in 1999 as a family-owned business, the auto repair shop continues to offer high-quality service. This 4-bay shop is part of the NAPA AutoCare community and offers a wide range of automobile services, including oil changes, tires, and emission repair. They use top-quality parts installed by ASC certified master mechanics. Global offers interest-free financing to help keep you safe and on the road with NAPA Easy Pay, and their work is covered nationwide using the Peace of Mind warranty. Please help me congratulate Global Auto Solutions.
Now you have top local certified mechanics, quality, reliability, and efficiency standards backed by the national power of NAPA. Just look for the NAPA AutoCare logo. NAPA AutoCare Centers. The parts you trust are now the shops you rely on.